Do you like Rice Krispies? Do you like Rice Krispies, Mimi? Is that your favorite food? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
Olive.
Olive. Is Olive cute? Who's baby? Do you like green beans? No. Do you like seaweed? No. Is Mop Mop cute? No. Is Chiefy cute?
No.
No. Who's cute then?
Olive and Fisher.
Olive and Fisher. Is Mommy cute? No. Aw. Is Daddy cute? No. What color hair does Mop Mop have? What color hair does she have? Huh? What color hair does Mop Mop have?
It's yellow.
Oh, it's yellow. Do you like bugs?
Mm-mm.
Do you want to eat bugs?
Mm-mm.
No. Do you want to eat a worm?
Mm-mm.
No. You want to eat Baby Olive?
Mm-mm.
Just pet Baby Olive? Should we see Baby Olive's house? There's Baby Olive's house out there. There it is. See it? That's her hutch.
And it's all in it.
Do you like the Christmas tree? Max says, He goes, Christmas. He goes, outside.